Hello everyone, my name is David Richard from WeeklyTools. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Foxwell 809TS OBD2 Scanner. This is a high-end diagnostic tool that offers a wide range of features including bi-directional control, live data streaming, and code reading and clearing. Features: the Foxwell 809TS has a lot to offer, so let's take a look at some of its key features. Bi-directional control. This allows you to send commands to your car's computer, which can be useful for troubleshooting certain problems. Live data streaming. This allows you to see real-time data from your car's sensors, which can be helpful for diagnosing problems. Code reading and clearing. This is a basic but essential feature that allows you to read and clear diagnostic trouble codes, ABS or seniors or EPB or SAS or TPMS service. These are a range of services that can be used to reset or calibrate various components in your car. 30+ service resets. This includes a wide range of services, such as oil reset, EPB reset, and SAS reset. 3-year free update. This means that you'll be able to keep your Foxwell 809TS up to date with the latest software. The Foxwell 809TS has a lot of pros, including wide range of features. This scanner offers a wide range of features, which makes it a versatile tool for diagnosing car problems. Easy to use. The Foxwell 809TS is easy to use even for beginners. Comprehensive documentation. The Foxwell 809TS comes with comprehensive documentation, which makes it easy to learn how to use the scanner. Free updates. The Foxwell 809TS comes with 3 years of free updates, which ensures that you'll always have the latest software. The Foxwell 809TS does have a few cons, including expensive. The Foxwell 809TS is a bit expensive, but it's worth the price for the features it offers. Not all features are supported on all vehicles. Some of the features on the Foxwell 809TS are not supported on all vehicles. Can be slow to load data. The Foxwell 809TS can be slow to load data, especially on older vehicles. Here are some additional information about the Foxwell 809TS. Supported vehicles. The Foxwell 809TS supports a wide range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, SUVs, and motorcycles. Software updates. The Foxwell 809TS comes with 3 years of free software updates. Warranty. The Foxwell 809TS comes with a 1-year warranty. Overall, the Foxwell 809TS is a great OBD2 scanner that offers a wide range of features. It's easy to use and comes with comprehensive documentation. If you're looking for a high-end diagnostic tool, the Foxwell 809TS is a great option. Thanks for watching my review of the Foxwell 809TS OBD2 Scanner. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more automotive content.